Hello everyone, welcome back to GeoSutra. If you are preparing for UGC NET Geography, you already know one thing the syllabus is vast and the time is limited. So, the real question is not how much to study, but what to study first. To answer this question, I have analyzed question number 51 to 150 of the official December 2025 geography paper and classified each question according to the UGC NET syllabus units. In the next few minutes, you will know exactly what topics dominate the paper and how to plan your revision accordingly. Many students prepare all units with equal efforts, but in competitive exam, every topic is not equally important. Some units consistently carry high weightage, while others appear occasionally. अगर हम weightage समझ लें तो हम अपना study time invest करते हैं, waste नहीं. That is the purpose of this analysis. Here is a verified distribution from question number 51 to 150. Geomorphology 13 questions, Geography of India 12 questions, Climatology 10 questions, Geographical Thought 10 questions, Geography of Environment 8 questions. Together, these 5 units contribute more than 53% of the paper. These tell us something important. Physical geography concepts, Indian geography facts, and theoretical geography thinkers form the कोर ऑफ यूजीसी नेट ज्योग्राफी. अगर इन 3 एरियाज पर स्ट्रॉन्ग कमांड है, हाफ पेपर ऑलरेडी सिक्योर हो जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. पॉपुलेशन ज्योग्राफी 7 क्वेश्चंस, ज्योग्राफिकल टेक्निक्स 6 क्वेश्चंस, ओशनोग्राफी 5 क्वेश्चंस. These units generally have direct concept based or database questions. They are highly scoring because they need understanding, not memorization. So, after core units, these should be your second priority. Low frequency but must prepare units. Other applied units appear less frequently: economic, industrial, settlement, agriculture, transport, political, world geography. Even though these questions are fewer, they are usually straightforward factual questions. अगर आप basic concepts clear रखते हो, यहाँ से sure short marks मिलता है. So, practically, your preparation should follow this logic: high weightage, deep conceptual study, moderate weight, practice and data familiarity, low weight, basic coverage and revision. इस अप्रोच से आप सिलेबस को रैंडम नहीं, सिस्टमैटिक ऑर्डर में कंप्लीट करते हो. So, the suggested smart revision order should be geomorphology, then climatology, then geography of environment, then geographical thought, geography of India, population geography and techniques, oceanography and remaining other applied topics. इस सीक्वेंस में पढ़ने से आप मैक्सिमम आउटपुट विथ मिनिमम वेस्टेड एफर्ट अचीव कर सकते हो. I have also attached the complete PDF classification sheet so that you can use this. Remember, UGC NET Geography is not about studying everything equally. It is about studying the right thing at the right time.